On to Sharp with ET, Tata Motors set for a $4.5 billion Iveco buyout, and Trump warns of a 25% tariff on India. Hi, I'm Nisha Poddar. Let's get started. Tata Motors is back on acquisition mode, and this time it's eyeing the European roads. Sources tell ET that Tata is set to acquire the Italian truck maker Iveco from Exor Group in a $4.5 billion deal that would make it the Tata Group's second largest acquisition ever after Chorus and also Tata Motors' biggest to date. Now, the boards of both the companies are expected to meet today to approve this transaction. And on the deal structure, well, Tata to buy 27.1% stake from Exor launches the tender offer to acquire the rest of the stake. The deal also excludes Iveco's defense unit, which is being spun off, and the entire transaction is being routed through a Dutch Tata Motors entity. Now, Exor currently holds 43.1% stake or voting rights and are set to favor Tata given the long-standing ties with the group and Ratan Tata himself. This would mark Tata's second major global CV acquisition after Jaguar Land Rover $2.3 billion in 2008. Tata Daewoo was in 2004. So why Iveco? Well, the Italian brand is Europe's smallest large truck maker, operating in over 160 countries but trailing behind Volvo, Daimler, Traton. The acquisition gives Tata's immediate entry into Latin America, Europe, North America markets, also global technology and platform access for commercial vehicles. And not to forget, diversification from India, where 90% of Tata CV sales are concentrated. A chance to triple CV revenue from 75,000 crores to over 2 lakh crore rupees. But it's not without challenges. Iveco's margins, 5.6%, lags behind Tata's CV EBIT of 9.1%. Tata's Daewoo, a unit that saw 11% revenue decline in the last fiscal. Margin compression, integration risk remain as the top concerns. If cleared, this would be the most significant global CV play by any Indian auto company in the recent years. With just 2 days left before the tariff deadline, the warning is now a reality. US President Donald Trump has officially confirmed that India will face a 25% tariff on its exports starting 1st of August. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said, India will therefore be paying a tariff of 25% plus a penalty starting August 1st. He accused India of unfair trade practices and high non-tariff barriers, calling them the most strenuous and obnoxious in the world. While India is our friend, we have done relatively little business with them because their tariffs are far too high, Trump added. But this wasn't just about trade. Trump also took aim at India's ties with Russia, criticizing Delhi for buying Russian weapons and energy despite the war in Ukraine. India buys most of its military gear from Russia and is its largest energy buyer along with China, all things not good, he said. India hasn't responded officially yet, but sources tell ET that a full bilateral deal looks unlikely before 1st of August. Officials expect only a limited agreement by September, focused on the sectors like pharma, textiles, and auto components, without any major concessions on agriculture or GM crops. Meanwhile, rupee has weakened to 87.5 per dollar, and markets are expected to remain cautious ahead of the tariff impact. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp. Thanks so much.